Capture every ride with the best motorcycle cameras, designed for adventure enthusiasts and safety-conscious riders. These cameras offer high-definition video recording, wide-angle lenses, and advanced stabilization to ensure clear footage even on bumpy roads. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best motorcycle cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro redefines motorcycle cameras with its cutting-edge features designed for thrill seekers and urban explorers alike. Equipped with a 1x1.3-inch sensor, this camera delivers exceptional low-light performance, capturing vivid details even on nighttime rides. Its advanced 4nm chip ensures enhanced subject tracking, keeping fast-moving subjects perfectly framed in either 16:9 or 9:16 formats. With up to 4 hours of extended battery life, the Osmo Action 5 Pro thrives in any environment, providing uninterrupted recording for extended adventures. Its dual OLED touchscreens offer precise control and vibrant color reproduction, making real-time playback and adjustment seamless and enjoyable. The 360 degrees horizon steady stabilization guarantees ultra-stable footage, perfect for action-packed vlogs or sports capture no matter how rough the terrain. For audio enthusiasts, the DJI microphone connection enables professional quality sound, while compatibility with the DJI Mic 2 and Mic Mini eliminates the need for additional receivers, ensuring crystal clear audio for moto vlogging or solo shoots. Whether it's capturing the rush of a cityscape at night or the thrill of an off-road journey, the Osmo Action 5 Pro stands as a versatile, all-weather companion for modern adventurers. The Kenwood STZ-RF 200WD motorcycle camera system is a robust and feature-packed solution for capturing high-definition footage on your rides. It boasts dual 2-megapixel cameras for simultaneous front and rear recording, ensuring you don't miss a moment of your journey. Both cameras record in high definition, delivering crisp, clear video to document every detail. Built for durability, the cameras, GPS, and switch carry IP66/67 waterproof ratings, making them resistant to heavy water sprays and dust. The main unit, with an IP55 rating, handles low-pressure water jets with ease, ensuring reliability in diverse conditions. Thanks to electronic image stabilization, bumpy roads won't affect the clarity of your videos, as it smooths out camera shakes for steady footage. The system includes a 32GB microSD card ready for use out of the box and supports up to 256GB for extensive recording. Advanced features like a 3-axis G sensor detect collisions, while integrated GPS tracks speed, latitude, and longitude for precise journey mapping. Designed for adventure and safety, the STZ-RF 200WD is your essential riding companion, combining cutting-edge technology with rugged reliability. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 stands as the pinnacle of motorcycle cameras, co-engineered with Leica to revolutionize action camera technology. Its Leica Samaritt lens, featuring an f2.6 aperture, excels in capturing more light while minimizing noise for crystal clear footage. The newly integrated 1.3-inch 8K sensor delivers unmatched performance with a 13.5 stop dynamic range and a remarkable 2.4 micrometer pixel size. This sensor supports up to 8K 30fps cinematic video or 4K 60fps active HDR, guaranteeing vivid visuals regardless of conditions. Equipped with a dual AI chip, this camera is a technological marvel. A dedicated imaging chip enhances noise reduction and image processing, while a 5nm AI chip powers advanced computational tasks, doubling performance over its predecessor. This innovation translates into brilliant low-light capabilities with pure video mode, ensuring clarity even in dim settings. capture extraordinary stills with its 50-megapixel photo capability, delivering unmatched detail in every shot. Dive into underwater adventures with Leica-inspired color profiles, ensuring vibrant, true-to-life colors. For dynamic situations, Clarity Zoom offers lossless 2x zoom with a quick tap. The GoPro Hero 13 Black sets a new standard for motorcycle cameras, delivering unmatched performance and versatility. Boasting exceptional 5.3K 60 video resolution, it captures every detail with crystal clarity, making it the go-to choice for creators seeking premium quality footage. Its compatibility with the innovative HB series lenses expands your creative horizons, enabling stunning POV shots, precise close-ups, cinematic anamorphic perspectives, and professional-grade motion blur with ease. Designed for the adventurous, the Hero 13 Black features a rugged, weatherproof build complemented by a more powerful enduro battery that ensures extended recording times, even in extreme conditions. An updated mounting system enhances its flexibility, letting you secure the camera in unconventional angles for dynamic motorcycle shots. GoPro's hyper-smooth 6.0 video stabilization keeps your footage buttery smooth even on the bumpiest rides. The camera automatically creates highlight videos and offers auto upload to the cloud for seamless content management. The Insta360 X4 redefines motorcycle action videography with cutting-edge technology and unrivaled versatility. Capable of capturing immersive 360-degree video in stunning 8K or 5.7K at 60 frames per second, the X4 ensures no detail goes unnoticed. Its active HDR guarantees vibrant, color-accurate footage even in high-action environments, making it perfect for fast-paced motorcycle adventures. The innovative design allows effortless reframing after filming, thanks to the AI-powered Insta360 app. With the invisible selfie stick, you can create seamless third-person perspectives that resemble drone shots, elevating your content with a professional edge. When you prefer standard views, the camera delivers exceptional 4K 60 FPS footage and ultra-wide shots with its 170 degrees max view at 4K 30 FPS. The flow state stabilization and 360 degrees horizon lock ensure smooth, steady footage even during rugged rides. Built tough, the X4 resists bumps and extreme action, while upgraded lens guards make maintenance a breeze. Designed to withstand harsh conditions, it performs flawlessly in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit and is waterproof up to 33 feet, or a staggering 164 feet with its invisible dive case. Whether navigating curvy mountain roads or braving urban commutes, the Insta360 X4 transforms your ride into cinematic brilliance, empowering you to relive and share every thrilling moment. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.